Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we've got Birchbox. Ta-da! It has finally come. So this is it. I know that I haven't opened it. Actually, don't about it. About this. So yeah, so you don't need to open this right. Oh, it's a gorgeous box. I love the box. Look at that beautiful design box. It's like an Indian sort of thing. I say Indian sort of thing. Yeah, it's really pretty. Oops, I nearly dropped it. There we go. So see it? So we're just gonna pull the box drawer open and you will see the contents. Then we will just have a look at them. Oh, I see this. I've actually got this and I will link the video. I have the Rituals foaming shower gel already because I got it in my Debenhams beauty drawer. Just go and have a look at that video because it's quite good and quite informational. And that's a big word for me, informational. Right, so I will pull them all out, the products, and then we'll have a look at them. It just makes it a bit more easier. So this one, we got Badlands dry shampoo paste. Oh, I'm interested in that. Then we have got, just looking at this, we've got some eye patches, eye masks. I desperately need those to get rid of those bad boys. They're there and make my eyes a bit more perkier. Desperately need it. I'm in a dropsy mood today, so I'll just drop that. And then we've got this. What is it? It's the Lenoturant Calamine Romaine Calamine Alkaline. What is that? It doesn't even tell you what it is. It just says Calamine White Yellow Avine Oat Evolution Creative Apathy. That needs to be looked at. Right, I'm going to have a look at that in a minute. But this is what I wanted. What's this? Ta-da! I got it. It's the bag now. Right, so that's what. Right, so we have a £25 off when you order from the Birchbox shop. So shop more, earn more. Receive a £5 shop voucher when you spend £50 plus, a £10 shop voucher when you spend £75 plus, a £25 shop voucher when you spend £100 plus. So mother, if you're watching, this is what you need. If you need to get me my birthday present or Christmas present, just use these coupon codes. So yes, at the Birchbox shop, and you use the code Thankyou. So yeah, you get that. Good news, you can use this offer with the Birchbox benefit discounts, plus you get free delivery. We'll send you a voucher via email within 10 days of your next order. Right, so there is the code if you want to use it. It does say thank you code. I will put it in the description box down below if you really want it. It is there for you to use. Right, so this month this is the little leaflet, and it is going to tell me a bit about this. Right, so these are the eye masks, and this is the hydrogel eye mask. The RRP price for this is £22, and they come in a box set of 5. This is one, so it would be about, these would be about £6 each. I paid £99 for this whole box for the whole year, and that was including postage packaging, so I got it on a good offer, which was Birchbox. I know it was a good offer, so £99 for the whole year, and that was good. I always do that with Birchbox and Glossybox. They're my two main ones. And I'm actually thinking about doing it to Rockbox because that's a really good box. Right, and so it's just a good way of saving a bit of money. If you know they're like stable boxes and they are really like good boxes, just put them on a yearly annual sub and do it like that, because when you get a code they sent me a code if I wanted to take it off the year, and I did, because that saved a lot of money. Right, okay, so then we got this one, which is the Benefit Bad Girl, I think, no, it's not Bad Girl, and this is £21.50, and this is the RRP price is £21.50. And it just says, like what you tried, enjoy 10% off the full-size products sampled in this month's box as one of your Birchbox benefits. Plus, once you've received 6 boxes in a row, you'll receive a 15% VIP discount. Well, I've got that discount, but I can't find anything that I want. It's all expensive stuff, so yep, so that's that. So, and it doesn't tell you what the mil neither on this. I think that this is actually a sample. I'm not sure, but we will have a look now. This is the first time I've had a look at the Benefit one, and I am really super excited. Oh wow, it's totally different to what I thought it was going to be. I thought somehow it was going to be like a rubbery sort of casing. I don't know what I expected, but it's not what I thought it would be. Right, so here we go. So first of all, I always shake the mascaras because they stick together clumpy, and that's what I don't want. They just have to throw me that it's not rubbery. Right, okay, so that is it. I do like that. Right, so now I'm just going to actually try and see if there is a difference. Probably you won't be able to see any difference because I've already got it on. It's just no difference at all to me. This one might need some. No, I'm not going to be able to see it differently, but I did think that would have been like a rubbery sort of casing, but never mind, that's fine. Oh, I'm dropping it. I am in a dropsy mood today. Right, so this is like another thing that's actually thrown me. I don't even know what it is, but this is the feeling sensitive. We've all been there. Wave goodbye to redness and tight skin with a natural cleanser. Oh, that's got me interested because I do suffer with a bit of red skin. Yes, as you will see, as you noticed in my last video, pink parcel. Yeah, red skin. Right, so tight skin with a natural cleanser infused with calamine. Calamine. Well, that's what I had to use. Calamine lotion. It helped it a lot. But it wasn't a skin irritation, it was just the jelly bonbon that got all on my face, and I was so worried that I actually just dropped everything and went to Tesco's and got some calamine lotion. Yes, so that was what happened realistically, but it wasn't. It was just jelly bonbon. So this is like it's infused with calamine, white willow, and all proteins, and gently removes makeup and dissolves impurities without causing irritation. Simply massage into wet skin and then rinse off to reveal a smooth complexion that's comfortable to touch. Wait, we are looking forward to using that. I will just have a quick look at it and give you a show of it. Right, so here we go. So it comes out like, oh, it has like an oaty smell. It does have a nice smell, relaxing scent. So here we go. Oh, it's like clear gel. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it, but it's so clear. And it just, is that actually lathering up quite nicely. It really is. Oh yes, smells nice. So there we go, and that looks, it's actually getting a bit tighter. It's making my skin feel tighter, stickier. It's really sticky. So it's doing what it's supposed to do. It gently removes makeup It's feeling sensitive, we're all been there, wave goodbye to redness and tight skin. Oh, well, it's making my skin feel tight. I don't know about that then. Right, so then we will move on to this. Now this is like I don't know, I've had dry shampoo in a can before, but I've never had it like this. So this is dry shampoo, which isn't just a good idea for days when you're in between hair washes. Dry shampoo isn't just a good idea for when you're in between hair washes. It's the ultimate hack to achieve the coveted bed head look. The paste is formulated with Hawaiian volcanic ash. Yes, you had read that right. Volcanic ash to keep your scalp clean and balanced, with coconut, sunflower seed oil to add shine. Just rub a small amount between your fingers and work through to give a second day hair serious upgrade. Right, we'll give it a go. Here we go. This is the Birchbox first for me. Anyway, right. Okay, so it's like a paste. I would say it's, wow, that is really weird. It's like putty. It's like actually playing with Play-Doh. Right, so I'm just going to try and get a bit. So there we go, I've got a small amount. It just says work through. I hope this doesn't leave my hair feeling light. Right, okay, so we have tried that. I don't know if it's actually doing anything. Maybe I'll get some more and actually try properly. So it just says, so now work it through your hair. So I want my hair to be like clean. My hair is clean because I only washed it about 2 days ago. Oh, it has a nice scent. So there we go. I don't know if it has actually done anything. You leave in the comments if you see a difference in the hair clean. Oh, it smells really nice. Right, so that's that. I don't know about that. Right, so this is the foaming shower gel, and I already have one of these. So this may go in a giveaway because I already like the one I've got. So I will actually just put this in a giveaway, and I'm not going to even open it because that's giveaway stuff. And yeah, so 300 subscribers please, and I will give you a whole lot of beauty products. It's like an enormous box. So yeah, you must like, you must share these videos, and you must be subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, which is jhodgson36, and leave in the comments down below whether you want to be in the giveaway or not, or what you want to do. So yeah, and you must also have my notifications on, because when I upload you need to know. So that's it. Right, so if you don't want to see next month's sneak peek, look away right now because it's coming to you. There we go, there is next month's sneak peek. Oh my gosh, it's the Model Co Baked Highlighter. You've got a choice of rose or moonshine. I think that I might choose the moonshine. I don't know. Maybe the rose will be a bit more duller because I don't want to be like shiny like a star. I just need, I like to be a little bit more matte. That's me. I don't really like to have all of that, you know, the bling bling shining like a, you know, shining like I don't know what. I don't like that. I like to just be a little bit matte, because if the more you shine, the more it shows up, all of your bad lines and all of that. So yeah, so and it does, that's it. Right, so if you liked this video, thumbs up, like, you know the drill, you share, you subscribe, and I shall see you on in my next video.